Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you have some ripe bananas and a all-purpose flour at home, you can make this delicious snack for you and your family. Relax, let me show you how I made this. So to make our banana donut, I have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour which I've sifted into my mixing bowl. So to it I'll be adding yeast sugar according to your taste, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, I have half a teaspoon of nutmeg and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll now mix everything together. I'll set it aside and mash our banana. You can also use your potato masher to mash this. I'll bring back this. This consistency is okay. I'll set it aside while I heat up some oil for frying, and this can take about 10 minutes. I'll let it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before we continue.